Welcome, my name is Kayode. This channel is all about empowering you for financial freedom, prosperity, and all-round success in business, life, and relationship. Today, I want to speak to you about how to generate multiple sources of income or multiple streams of income in global crisis. But before I speak about this, I want to plead with you, if you have not subscribed, subscribe right now. You see the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss anything, any video that will be releasing every day. So I urge you to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and you will get our videos. So I want to speak to you about how to generate multiple streams of income in this economic recession. Now, one stream of income can never be enough. Whether in economic crisis or out of economic crisis, one stream of income will never meet your bill. Your 9-to-5 job is not adequate for you. The income, what you earn there, can never be adequate. So you need additional sources of income. Even when you are on your own, for those of you who are on your own, one stream of income or two streams of income will never be enough to meet your bills. And so today I want to teach you on how to generate at least 5 sources of income. Number 1, start considering your production process. If you have a company, you are producing something, start considering your production process. Look at it from point A to point B and see those things you are throwing away. Those things you are throwing away, those things that you consider a waste, maybe somebody's fortune. So, and those things can hand you money if you do a thorough investigation. Start investigating on the things you are throwing away, the things you consider a waste. Those things could actually make money, be making money for you. For example, if you have a tiger nut drink factory, and you know what is basically used for tiger nut drink is the small tuber. Now, so many people have been throwing away those tubers, those tiger nuts, or those nuts. They've been throwing those things away. But we have since found out that those things are actually money. You don't need to throw them away. Those things, you can dry them, and then when you dry them, you grind them, you make them as powder, and they become tiger nut flour, which is very, very rich source of protein. So it is important for you to start considering. So for example, if you have been throwing away the waste after you have extracted the drink, the water, you don't need to throw that away. Consistently, you begin to make money, you dry it, you start another production process by just drying it, making them into powder, and then you package it, and then that becomes tiger nut flour, which in Africa is used to make solid food and all of that. So that's another source of income. So there are quite a number of things like that. For example, if you when you go to where they are cutting woods, in those days there's what is called sawdust. You know, the people will cut the trees, the woods. You see them cutting it, and they don't even consider, for many years they didn't consider it as something very important, until some women were coming to carry those sawdust, and were selling it, were using it to cook, particularly in the other in Africa, in some parts of Africa. Even this sawdust are being used in Europe. So these are things you need to consider. You can generate income, consistent income, by looking at the things you are doing. There are so many things you are producing. There are so many things you have that you are just throwing away. You don't think that they are of value. It is time for you to consider those things. They are of value and they can actually make income. All you need to do is to investigate, find out, ask people, is this thing useful or not? The second way by which you can create additional source of income in this global crisis or in this economic recession is to create, additional products to the current product that you have. Start thinking of a new product that you can produce. Don't just create just one product. Start thinking of additional source of income. Start thinking of another product. Ask your customers the challenges they are facing. If you own a company, it's your responsibility to interact, or your sales team interact with your customers regularly to find out how they're enjoying your product, what are their needs, what are their challenges. Now, when you find out their challenges, it may be something that you can that you can produce, from which you generate income. So don't allow another company to take this clientele from you. Don't allow another company to take away your clients. You can generate another source of income by producing a complementary product. And it might cost you something less because you already have factory and you already have clients anyway. So start thinking of what you can do, what other products you can produce to be able to generate additional source of income. But you can only do this by interacting with your clients about their challenges and try to meet those challenges. Number 3, put your depreciating assets to use. Put your depreciating assets to use. You have so many assets, even if they are few, but not all the assets you have that you are using. Many of them are just lying idle. Many of them have depreciated in value. Now, start looking at those assets. For example, many of you have a lot of machinery, equipment that you are not putting to use, that are very, very good. You don't have to sell them. You can ask some people to start using and they start paying you money. Let me also give you an example. If you have a big office, for example, and you are paying heavily for that office, and you are not putting it to use maximally, what you need to do is get somebody, 1 or 2 people, to share some portions of your office accommodation, and then you make money from it. Some of you have something like air conditioners in your houses. Some of you have some machines that you are not using. Now you can give it out to people or rent it, and they'll be paying you some money. That will hand you additional source of income consistently. The 4th way that will generate additional source of income is to engage yourself in freelance services, online services. Or there are several services that you can render online. You can engage in editing, you can engage in proofreading, you can engage in digital marketing, you can, everything you are doing right now, you can really do them online. There are enough services online. For example, there are websites that offer freelance services. For example, we have Upwork.com, we have 5hour.com, we have freelancer.com. There are a number of them. I'm also involved in some of these websites. There are all kinds of jobs that you can do, all kinds. At least the minimum job you can do there is 7. You can take up 7 jobs there. You can do social media management. You can do, there isn't anything you can't do there. Graphic design, you know, digital marketing, e-book writing, anything. You can do all kinds of, and you earn money. Money will be coming from there consistently. There are people who earn $1,000. There are people who earn $5,000. There are people who earn $10,000 per month. And there are quite a lot of thousands of people on these websites that are engaged in freelance services. So you can make money from there, consistent income. And then the fifth one is partnership. You can create additional source of income through partnership. Now, try to have an association. Liaise with companies that will complement your own company. When you meet them, you'll be able to look at ways by which both of you can complement. How you can build synergy, you know, and then both companies will be able to make some money. So, but this time calls for partnership. You can't do it alone. There are things you can do alone, but there are some areas by which you cannot do it alone. So build synergy, look for partners, and look at ideas that you can carry out together and make money. And so this will help you. There are things you can also sell for people. You can, you know, under this partnership, you can sell a lot of products. You help them get some people, the customers, and then when you get those customers, they give you your cut. Once the customer make purchase, they give you your cut. So this is important. So we need to be wise in this economic recession, in this global crisis. We need to be wise. You need to generate multiple sources of income, multiple streams of income, and I've just given you at least 5 ways by which you can make money consistently. So implement them, and when you implement them, money will begin to flow. Now remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you can daily receive videos from me. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.